if you are trying to grow your business online, then you already know that content is king. But sometimes you don't just always have the time, the team, the editing skills, or even the budget to create those polished UGC style videos that actually drive sales. Which is why in this video, I will be showing you an AI tool that can help you create high converting, authentic looking marketing videos in just a few clicks. Now, with this particular AI tool, you do not need a model, you do not need hours of video shooting or hours of editing. In fact, here is a product marketing video that I created for a perfume brand using this AI tool in just a few minutes.
Okay, so I wasn't really expecting to fall in love with this perfume, but here we are. The scent is honestly just elegant. It's not too loud, not too sweet. It has this soft, luxurious vibe that makes you feel like you've got your life together, even on a messy day. I've worn it to brunch, work, even a date night, and every single time someone asks me what I'm wearing. It just gives that put together energy without trying too hard. If you're into subtle luxury and smelling like the best version of yourself, this might be the one.
So you can see how cool that was, and it looks so realistic. And the best part about this is that this works for any kind of product that would have typically needed a model. Now let me walk you through exactly how to do it. Now, to be able to do this, you want to head over to this particular AI tool, which is Top View. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description. So you want to click that link and it will take you to this particular tool. And this tool offers product avatars for AI UGC videos. And all you need to do is upload a product image and it will instantly create an AI avatar. And that AI avatar would literally advertise your product for you. Now, of course, the very first thing you need to do is you want to sign up for this particular tool. You want to click on the sign in and you want to click on sign up here. Now, you can either sign in with Google, with Apple, or simply just enter your email address and your password. After you have signed in, it will bring you to your dashboard here. And you want to simply click on this product avatar, which is a feature of this particular AI tool that helps you create those kind of videos. Once you click on this product avatar, it will take you to this place where you need to choose an avatar template, and you can simply scroll down and see whichever relates to you, or you can also choose based on your product category. So if your product is under vitamins, medication, beauty, perfume, and all of that, you want to choose whichever. I'm going to be using perfume, and I'm just going to be making use of this particular avatar here. You can also swap faces with this avatar. Just make sure that the picture you are swapping it with follows these rules for better results. So you just upload it from your device and it would swap faces during the generation process. Now we're going to upload our product image, and for our product image, we're going to be using this particular image that I got from Canva, and it's always best that your product is on a plain background with a center view because the avatar is going to be holding it up and center. So I'm going to upload it directly from my device. And now I'm going to click on generate. So now this AI tool has actually taken our product and put it or fixed it into this product avatar. And you can see that the avatar is now holding our product. And you can easily click here and simply download this as an image. Or you can as well click any of the pictures you want and generate a video out of it. You can also click the advanced settings and you can decide to adjust the prompt depending on what you prefer. However, I'm going to leave the prompt like that. You can also change the voice over. So I'm just going to be leaving it at violet. I'm going to click on confirm and I'm going to apply that and generate this image into a video. So this will take just about a minute plus and our video will be ready. So now this unique AI tool has given us the video version of our products that is being marketed by this AI avatar. And the next thing we want to do is we want to impute our script, because if you're marketing a product, you definitely have a script that you want the avatar to say. So we're going to click use my script. Now for your scripting, you can either use text to audio. That means you allow the AI to convert your text and give you an audio, or you can also import your own audio by simply uploading from your device. So we're going to just use the text to audio and we're going to paste our text here. So let's say this is our text. The next thing we want to do is we're going to go ahead and generate it. We'll leave the resolution at 180 and turn off the watermark and export it. So our video generation is complete and this is how the video looks like.
Okay, so I wasn't really expecting to fall in love with this perfume, but here we are. The scent is honestly just elegant. It's not too loud, not too sweet. It has this soft, luxurious vibe that makes you feel like you've got your life together, even on a messy day. I've worn it to brunch, work, even a date night, and every single time someone asks me what I'm wearing. It just gives that put together energy without trying too hard. If you're into subtle luxury and smelling like the best version of yourself, this might be the one.
So now you can see how seamless this was, and just in a matter of minutes we were able to generate this. And with this particular AI tool, you can actually generate multiple content for multiple products and can improve your marketing by making your content creation process 10 times faster. Now, to be able to unlock more of the features, for example, if you noticed while we were creating the videos, you could tell that some of the things we used had that crown icon that indicated that you required the pro plan. So to be able to unlock that, you need to be subscribed to the pricing plan, and they have a yearly pricing plan which is actually much more cheaper. And there is also a free plan. If you look at the free plan, there's a whole lot of package in the free plan. But then if you want to take your content marketing or your content creation for your business to a new level, you need more credits and more features to be able to do this. And even with the pricing plan, it still beats the budget of having to use real models, real shootings, and all the logistics involved in actually shooting content, not to talk of the extra time that it would require of you. So it doesn't matter whatever product that you want to promote, whether it's for your affiliate marketing, for e-commerce, or you just want to promote a product for your business. And speaking of affiliate marketing, I've attached a video at the end of this video that would show you how you can start affiliate marketing as a business model, leverage it to be able to earn. And if that interests you, you want to click the video you see on your screen right now and go check that out.